In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make money in Little Company. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Making money in Little Company is a straightforward process. All that you have to do once you land in any of the moons available in the terminal is to explore them and go inside of any abandoned factories or facilities. You will be able to find trinkets and a lot of items that can be sold once you go back to your ship. So as you can see, I am playing solo just to record this video, but usually you would have a lot of friends and all of you would be exploring the abandoned facilities and factories. In here, you will be able to find items dropped on the ground or scattered around the place that you can take back to the ship to sell. So I'm gonna demonstrate this by trying to find something, and I'll cut back to the video once I go back to the ship with the items. Once you find any items that are valuable and you bring them to the ship, immediately upon entering, you will be able to see the value at the bottom right corner of the screen. In here, you simply have to drop the items on the ground and keep them with you until you are ready to sell them. So as you can see, every time you collect something at the bottom right corner of the screen, there will be a little animation telling you the value. Of course, ideally you would stay at this planet as long as you can and gather as much items as possible. You want to meet the profit quota, so it's very important that you aim for this number at least. For this video, I'm only going to bring these items to demonstrate this. Now, all that you have to do afterwards is take the items to the company's building where you can sell them. You will get a total if you end the day. As you can see here, we got a total of 57 and you will be graded. Like I said, I collected much more less than I should have, so I got a bad grade. I'm only doing this video to demonstrate how you do this, and your employee rank is going to go up accordingly. Now, once you take your items to the company building, you will be able to sell them here. Of course, I should say this again, I did not meet the quota. I'm only doing this video to show you how to actually sell the items. But with enough profit made, you simply have to walk up to this counter here and sell the items. Once you have everything placed in here, just go ahead and ring the bell. And if you got enough, you will be able to sell the items and meet the quota so you can start making more money in Little Company. I hope I was able to help you on how to make money in Little Company. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.